What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. We're sitting in the sandworm right now. We got the sandstorm in front of us, but today we're doing a little sandworm install. I don't think I actually showed it before, but off of Amazon, when I first got the truck, I got one of those just cheap screen protectors off of Amazon for the radio, because you know, if you have one of these Canyons or Colorados or even the Bronco, everything, any newer car, they all come with these huge screens. They come with the digital screens in the dash, and just, you know, I didn't think they'd be prone to scratching, but I had the screen protector on in the truck, so never had to worry about it. I did not have a screen protector on the Bronco radio, and I noticed there are like little scratches here and there on there. So we have one of these for the Bronco, but it is a screen protector from Screen ProTech. We're gonna get these installed. We're gonna unbox this. We're gonna see what's in here, and then hopefully this is the right one, because I had this one sitting next to the Bronco, and they both come in the same tube, and they're not, from what I can see, there's no label on them that says Canyon or Bronco on it. I haven't installed the Bronco one yet, so I'll do the Bronco one next in a separate video. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. I already peeled the sticker off, but they say to watch these instructions beforehand. Obviously, if you guys are here, you're watching me install it, so these will be the instructions because I already watched them. You get this little soap bottle. There should be a solution in here that you are going to mix with water. And I opened this earlier, and I'm not sure, 100% sure what's in here, but I think there's a screen protector for the dash and the radio inside here. So just judging off of this one appears to be, this one might be the Bronco one. Oh, nope, this is the truck one. Yep, this is the truck one. So it looks like they sent two. So I guess if you mess up, you get two of them. So unless one is matte and one is gloss, I don't know. We'll figure that out, I guess. And then we have a squeegee and a towel. So you're gonna want to really clean the dash beforehand. The one thing I don't understand though is installation solution, soap mix, just add water. So there doesn't seem to be, oh wait, just add water. So there's definitely something in here. It looks empty, but there is definitely something in there. Okay, so we're gonna add water to this. We're gonna start this installation process. I'll turn the camera around so you guys can see. We'll peel off the old one, install the new one. All right, we've got water in there. We've got the soap solution. Now let's turn the camera around to where you guys can see, and we will peel off this old screen protector. This one's like a hard plastic. Oh yeah, it's just cracked. Oh, yep, see? Like a hard plastic. Let's see here. Oh no, I know. Oh, I about spilled that all over myself. It says to the video you watch, there's like pretty much you use a ton of this stuff. And it is soapy, by the way. So it says use a ton of this, like you're gonna squeegee it all out. So just keep that in mind. We are going to peel. Oh yeah, this one's definitely matte, I can tell. We're gonna peel the screen protector off, and it says to even spray some on here. So it's in my lap right now, you guys can't see it, but I am spraying this sucker down. And so what this soap allows you to do is to really move this around. And I'm telling you, the instruction video, you use a ton of this stuff. And just stick that on there. See, so you can like slide it around and stuff. Get it lined up to where it's all good to go. And then you will take your squeegee and you'll kind of hold it so this corner is kind of stuck up here, and you will, let's see if I can, okay, so you'll just kind of just squeegee all that out. And now that I think about it, you might want to spray some on the top so your squeegee actually glides across easy. Yeah, there we go. But these help protect against scratches, and it actually helps to eliminate the little bit of scratches that might be on your screen beforehand. So I don't know if you guys can really see that. I'm going to turn the truck off so this goes black, and so we can see a difference. And I kind of wrinkled this one up anyways, so. But there's that installed. Obviously still glossy, so all right, we're gonna try this again, because that one had a little wrinkles in it. So I cleaned the screen off. We got the squeegee, we got the towel, we've got the solution right here. So this is really gonna be your helping hand. You're gonna pretty much like soak the radio. Make sure you get every corner because you don't want any spots really sticking. And then we're going to peel the back off of this. And then we're going to take the solution and we're going to spray this down too. Okay, and then we're going to take this, make sure you line it up with the volume knob, and you can kind of start to set it down and slide it around where it needs to go. Okay, I got that about where I want it. You want to spray the outside so your squeegee glides over it. And then you will take your squeegee, you'll kind of hold this corner, make sure everything is straight and lined up where you want it. And then you'll just start squeegeeing all the solution out from underneath, like so. And then you'll probably see a couple little bubbles. You just gotta put a little bit more pressure on the squeegee because there's still solution under the screen protector. And then once you get that to where it's good, then you will take your towel and just dry everything off. I will say in these canyons in Colorado's, this little corner right here where the radio kind of meets the instrument cluster, that little part is kind of a pain. But looks like we got this all good to go. We're going to dry it off. But this screen protector, the benefit is this is supposed to heal some of the scratches if you already have scratches, and then it's supposed to not show fingerprints. It eliminates any other scratches you might get, so you won't ever have to worry about scratches with this thing. I really hope my video didn't mess up because this just connected, my phone connected to my radio. So this is the glossy one. We're going to do the Bronco one. It's going to be a separate video, so if you want to see what the matte one looks like, it'll be in the next video. But we're gonna install the dash now. So same thing, we're gonna spray into the dash, and then we're gonna spray this and then squeegee everything out. All right, so we've got the new screen protector on the radio. We've got the one on the dash. I didn't have one on the dash before. Let's go ahead and start this up so we can see the colors and everything. So I will say this one was a little harder than this one. This one was pretty easy. So this one was a little difficult, especially around the corners up here. And then this one was way more simple. So let's see if I can exit out of here and go to like the radio or something. So there we go. You can see this one's still glossy, and that's the reflection off the window. So everything is nice and flush, perfectly shaped. The cutout is awesome. Like I was saying, this install, this portion was super easy. This portion was a little more difficult because it's a little tighter fit to get the squeegee, but everything is good to go. And super happy with this, especially because I didn't have one down there before, so it's nice to have one now. And it does come with 2 in the package, so if you mess up, you have a spare. If you don't mess up and you get it right the first time, you can keep the other one for whenever it's time to change these out. But all the reviews I've seen and everything, these probably will not need changed out, especially if you just keep your truck clean and you're not, you know, scraping this with a knife or something. Anyways, that's it for this video, little short video, and then I will have one out installing the matte one on the Bronco soon. So I'll check back in, and I'll see you guys next time.